Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful triangle 3D shawl. It's only 2 rows repeating and using only triples. It's so fast crocheting and so simple. I hope you like it and you will try that. I love it very much. It's a sample, not to make so big, but if you want to make it as big triangle shawl, you need this big width size, minimum 160 centimeter. If you want to use as a caul, you need minimum 120 centimeter. Okay, I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful 3D triangle shawl. Let's start to crochet. I use Himalaya anti-peeling baby clothes yarn, especially. I lost its label, but I will find it information and put here. Okay, and I use 4mm hook with that yarn. First of all, we will start with slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 chains I made. I get you more closer. Then turn back and insert into the first stitch and join with a slip stitch. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count as my first triple. Then add 2 more chains, so totally I made 6 chains, 2 for space, 4 for triple. Yarn over twice and make here 5 triple. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert here, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. 2 triple, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 1, make 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 6 and turn 5 triple. Chain 1, 5 triple. Chain 3 for the center. Then again make 5 triple in the same hole. 1, yarn over twice, insert that hole, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1, make here 2 5 groups, so make this side 2 5 group again, make 5 more triple here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You know, we start with chain 6, chain 2 for space, yarn over twice and insert into that stitch and finish with a triple. 1, 2, 3. This is our first row. Always turn with chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and turn your work. Now yarn over twice, insert into the first triple as front post. I insert my hook front to back, then front, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice and make front post triple. I will make 5 front post triple. 3, 4, 5. chain 2, yarn over twice and make 5 front post treble on that previous row's triples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 3 because I come to center, not make anything here. Yarn over twice and make 5 triple on this 5 triple, 5 front post triple. Yarn over twice, insert my hook as front post, triple, yarn over twice. If my video comes so fast, you can drop my speed in 3 dots on the right of the screen. Okay. 4 and the 5. This time chain 2, yarn over twice, come to last 5 triple, make 5 front post triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 2, don't forget, you start with chain 6, 4 4 triple, 2 4 space, make 2 4 space, yarn over twice and insert the last stitch and finish with triple. You complete the second row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and turn your work. 1 row increasing row, 1 row front post triples row. Now we are on the increasing row. Yarn over twice, 4 4 triple, 2 4 space. I made my increase from the first chain 2 space and make here 5 triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 2, skip 2, insert into the third one, join with a single crochet. Chain 2, come to next chain 2 space and make here 5 triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 2, skip 2 triple, insert a third one, join with a single crochet. Chain 2, yarn over twice and come to center, so we are on the increasing row, so make here 5 triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 3, yarn over twice, insert into the same center chain 3 space and make here 5 more triple, so you make your second increases. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 2, skip 2, insert into the third triple stop, join with a single crochet. Chain 2, yarn over twice, come to chain 2 space and make 5 triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 2, skip 2, come to third stop, join with a single crochet. Chain 2, yarn over twice and make your last increase. As beginning, you will make 5 triple in last chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Don't forget, you start with chain 6, so chain 2, yarn over twice, insert into last stitch and finish with triple. Don't forget it. As usual triangle shells, you will increase your shell from the beginning, from the center and the last stitch. We increase first chain 2 space, center chain 3 space, and the last chain 2 space. Okay, this is your first repeating row, and the second one is your front post triple row. It's so simple. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and turn your work, yarn over twice and make 5 front post triple on 5 triple. 1, yarn over twice, insert your hook as front post. 2, yarn over twice. 3, yarn over twice. 4, yarn over twice, and 5. Chain 2, yarn over twice, come to next group and make again 5 front post triple. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Chain 2, yarn over twice, come to next group, make 5 front post triple. 1 2 3 4 and 5. I come to center, not make any increase this row, chain 3, yarn over twice, and keep making my front posts. 5 front posts, chain 2, come to next group, chain 2, come to next group. I come to end and turn here. I made my last 5 front post triple, chain 2, and don't forget finish with triple on the last stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and turn my work. Now you will repeat your third row again. Always repeat third and the fourth row. We will make our first increase in first chain 2 space, then center chain 3 space, and the last chain 2 space. Yarn over twice, insert the first space and make here 5 triple, 3 4 and 5. Chain 2, skip 2, insert the third one, join with a single crochet. Chain 2, yarn over twice, come to next space and again make 5 triple as on the third row. Then chain 2, join with a single crochet, chain 2, make 5 triple, chain 2, come to the center, 5 triple, chain 3, 5 triple here, as same as on the third row. Then chain 2, join with a single crochet, chain 2, make 5 triple, chain 2, join with a single crochet, chain 2, make 5 triple, chain 2, join with a single crochet, and come to last chain 2 space and make here 5 triple. Don't forget finish with chain 2 and last triple. Then turn with chain 6 and make front post triples on your 5 triple groups, as same as the fourth row. You will always repeat the third and the fourth row, which size you want. Okay, it's beautiful when you make it bigger and bigger. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.